In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manually migrate WordPress websites tutorial. We'll walk through moving your existing site content into WordPress.com using the built-in migration tools. Before we start, a quick note. Have your export file ready from your current site. If you're coming from WordPress, that's typically a .xml file generated by the export tool. Keep it somewhere easy to find, like your desktop. Begin by opening WordPress.com and heading to the Sites section. From the list, choose the site you want to bring content into. I'll select a sample site for this walkthrough so you can see exactly where things are. Once you're on that site's dashboard, look for the option that says Bring your site to WordPress.com and click it. This opens the migration flow. You'll see a prompt to continue. Click the highlighted button to proceed, then select Check my site so WordPress.com can confirm the destination is set up correctly. Next, pick your current platform from the list. If you're moving from WordPress, choose that option. If not, pick the platform that matches your old site. Now choose Import content from another platform or file. Confirm your choice on the highlighted prompt, and then click Migrate Site to begin the guided process. If you want a quick overview, click How it works for a short explanation of what the tool will do. After reviewing, follow the highlighted option to continue back into the flow. Select Import posts, pages, and media from a supported WordPress export file. You'll land on the importer screen. Click the area that says Drag a file here, or click to upload a file. Then select your export file from your computer. The upload will begin right away. Larger files can take some time. Keep the tab open and avoid navigating away until the import finishes. If you exported media with your file, the importer will fetch images and other attachments as it goes. When the import completes, review your site to make sure your posts, pages, and media look right. Small differences in themes or settings are normal when moving platforms. If you've made any design tweaks during the process, click Save to preserve those changes. Once you're happy with everything, click Launch to make the migrated content live. That's it. You've successfully migrated your site to WordPress.com. Remember, you can always return to the editor later to refine your layout, update menus, or adjust settings. If something seems off after launch, most issues are solved by resaving menus, reassigning the homepage, or clearing your browser cache. Thanks for watching, and enjoy.